Committee stage. Examining bills in detail, where MPs scrutinize legislation line by line and propose amendments to strengthen and improve bills before they become law. What is the committee stage? Detailed review. Bills are carefully examined section by section, with MPs proposing amendments to fix or improve the legislation. Government response. The government may accept, reject, or modify proposed amendments based on their merit and impact. Real impact. The Brexit Withdrawal Agreement Bill, 2019, saw numerous amendments including changes to workers' rights and customs checks. The committee process. Bills sent to committee. In the Commons, bills go to a public bill committee of 16 to 50 MPs from different parties. In the Lords, the Committee of the Whole House reviews it. Clause-by-clause examination. The committee reads each section, clause, of the bill, with MPs suggesting amendments such as removing clauses or changing wording. Voting on amendments. Final review. The committee votes on the final version, which then moves to the report stage for review by all MPs. Committee composition. House of Commons. Most bills are reviewed by a public bill committee comprising 16 to 50 MPs from different political parties, ensuring diverse perspectives. House of Lords. Bills are examined by the Committee of the Whole House, allowing all Lords to participate in the detailed scrutiny process. Examining the details. Section by section review. The committee meticulously examines each clause of the bill, ensuring every detail is scrutinized for clarity and effectiveness. Proposing changes. MPs can suggest amendments including removing clauses, changing wording, or adding new sections to strengthen the legislation. Police, Crime, Sentencing, and Courts Bill, 2021. MPs debated whether to change protest laws during the committee stage, demonstrating the detailed nature of these discussions. Amendment examples in action. Nationality and Borders Bill, 2021. MPs added tougher penalties for human traffickers during the committee stage. Housing Bill, 2016. MPs added a rule requiring landlords to ensure homes are fit for human habitation. EU Referendum Bill, 2015. Amended in committee stage and passed through report stage without further changes. Why the committee stage matters. Ensures bills are strong and fair. MPs can fix problems and improve legislation before it progresses further through Parliament. Protects public interest. MPs have the power to remove unfair sections of a bill that could negatively impact citizens. Allows expert input. MPs listen to specialists such as doctors for healthcare bills, ensuring informed decision-making. What happens next? Report stage. All MPs review the changes made in committee. Further amendments. MPs can suggest minor additional amendments. Final vote. Bill prepared for its final vote in the Commons. Committee stage at a glance. Bill sent to committee. Clause-by-clause review. MPs suggest amendments. Voting on amendments. Final committee vote. A group of MPs, or Lords, review the bill. Each section of the bill is examined in detail. Changes to the bill are proposed and debated. Approved changes are added to the bill. The bill, with changes, moves to the report stage. Key takeaways. Detailed scrutiny. The committee stage is where MPs examine and improve bills through careful line-by-line review. Better laws. Amendments help ensure stronger, fairer legislation before bills progress further through Parliament. Next step. The bill moves to the report stage for final review before the third reading and eventual passage into law.